Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manisha. I'm a professional makeup artist. My special welcome to the people who are watching me for the first time. And for bridal enquiries, you can reach out me through the number that I've given in the description, and also my Instagram profile link is there. And today I'm going to review about this LA Color Socialite palette. So a few days back I have given the review for Nicka K eyeshadow palette. So I just thought of giving a review for this palette as well because I purchased all these together and it's been so long time since I have purchased this one. So today I'm going to talk about the price of this palette and the pros and cons, all such stuffs. So now without any further delay, we'll move on to the video. So the name of the palette is Socialite from LA Colors. This has some 20 colors and the original price of the palette is 1450. I purchased this palette through Hawk Makeup website and it was in the sale for 50%, so it came around some 750 rupees. And this is also available in Nykaa, but most of the time in Nykaa it will be in the sold out mode. Like as soon as they restock this palette, this will go sold out very soon. Suppose if you are planning to buy this palette, keep an eye on this palette and keep tracking because this has some good colors. And this palette has an inbuilt mirror, so we have sorted out the biggest problem in this world. You can easily carry this anywhere since it comes along with the mirror for traveling or wherever you go you can carry this. And also this is very lightweighted one, and as I've already told, this has some 20 shades, out of which we have 7 matte shades. I'm just going to cover this mirror because I have light in front, so the light will reflect through the mirror. So if you see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 matte shades and the rest of the shades are shimmer shades. So if you start from here, we have 2 lighter shades here. So this can be used as a base before starting the eye makeup. So usually before starting the eye makeup, we apply some concealer or foundation and we blend it and we will set it with powder. So instead of using the powder, you can use these 2 shades since it is a very lighter one. And coming to the transition area, we can use this one. This is a light coral shade, and these 3 shades can be used as a transition shade. As I always say, we have to use only the lighter shade on the transition area. So whenever you buy the new palettes, you just check whether we have enough number of transition shades available in the palette. So this has some 4 shades, and if you see here, this is a beautiful golden shade, and again this one is a champagne shade. So this one is again a golden shade, but this is a bit lighter than the center one. And we have a bundle of pinkish tones here, like this is a kind of magenta pink, and this one is a copper shade. We have a beautiful baby pink here, and this one is a kind of shade, but this is rose gold. No. This is a kind of rose gold color, but bit brighter than the original rose gold color. This one is a original rose gold, and we have 2 highlighter shades here. This can be used on the brow bones, or else you can use it on the bridge of the nose. Usually we highlight those areas, so we can use this for highlighting. And we have a color here. This can be used as a highlighter, but not on the the high points of the face. We can use it only on the brow bone since it has some yellowish tint. Yeah, it has some yellowish tint, and yeah, this has some pretty much good colors which suits all the Indian skin tone and the Indian outfits. And we can create n number of eye makeups using this single palette. So I'm just going to swatch all these shimmer shades on my hand now. Okay, talking about the pros and cons, first thing is price. I'm not sure whether the price of the palette comes under the pros or cons. Though the price of the palette is huge, most of the time this will be available for sale. So we can get this palette for 750 rupees. And we know there are so many palettes for the same price range, but that doesn't come along with the inbuilt mirror. And this palette has the inbuilt mirror, that is one of the biggest advantage. And the second thing is we have good range of shades. We have golden, pinkish, copper and rose golds, and even we have highlighter shades. And the third thing is color payoff is so good. I'm so much satisfied with the shimmer shade color payoff. And the fourth thing is it is very lightweighted, so we can carry this anywhere. It is going to be the travel friendly one. Talking about the cons, this palette doesn't have any darker matte shades. Usually in every palette we'll be having some lighter matte shades for the transition and the darker matte shades for the outer V, but this palette doesn't have any darker shades. So that is one of the biggest disadvantage. And I'm not sure about the shimmer shade fallouts. Maybe in my upcoming videos when I use this palette I can talk about it. And even if it falls out, that is not a big deal. We can finish up the eye makeup and we can move on with the base makeup. And overall I personally like this palette. If anybody asks me, then definitely I would suggest this palette. This has good color range. So yes, this is about this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, then give thumbs up and share it with your friends, and if you wish, you can subscribe my channel. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.